Hi, welcome to Paybooks. In this video, we will look at how to enable the email setup of your company in Paybooks. To send notification from the Paybooks app using your company's official email ID, we need to enable the email setup. On the home page, click the settings icon on the right-hand side, click Configure Rules, click Email Setup, click Customize Email Configuration. Enter the details of the email notifications must be sent from your company HR or payroll admin email ID. Login name, it will be the email ID you want to communicate with. Password, is the password used for that email ID? Check with your technical team for the outgoing server and the SMTP port. Update the display name and click Send Test Mail. If you require the email notification to be sent from the Paybooks admin ID, then click on Reset to Default. Once you have updated all the details, click Save. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.